The Avatar400 Financial Report Writer is comprehensive and user-defined. Easily specify the printing order and where to insert headings and totals, and save your reports in multiple formats, up to 99 for each corporation. Our financial reporter is the most flexible reporting software in the industry. Let's take a look at how this module works. The Avatar400 Financial Report Writer is a comprehensive financial reporting system that provides flexibility in analyzing corporate activity. When you go into our financial report options, option 16 off the accounting menu, the first option is maintaining formats and accounts. If we input Company 3 for our balance sheet format, you can have up to 99 separate balance sheet formats. So if you need one for the auditors, one for internal, one for unique reporting, you can have each of those at your flexibility. To set up a format, you simply enter a line number. You can input these as far apart as you want or as concise as you want. I've just left a little room here in case I had to go back and insert some more lines or accounts. You can tell it whether it's a header on your report. In this example, I've got assets as my top line, then current assets and cash in bank. It will print exactly as shown. And then there's additional options, whether this is the top of the page, whether you actually want to print this line or not, whether you want a $sign before or after, if there's a space before or after that row, whether it's underlined, whether there's a $sign or not, and then you can tell it which accounts go in each category. So the user decides which accounts get printed where and subtotaled how. We don't define anything for you. We feel like that is a user's place to define their reports. And to total a section, you simply enter a 1 for a first total, a 2 for a subtotals of the 1, a 3 for subtotals of the 2. Let me show you that again. So in this example, the bank accounts are totaling to cash. If I page down, you can see my accounts receivable are totaling to current assets, or to current total accounts receivable, and then both my AR and my cash total to current assets. And you continue to build upon those as you need. Another feature of our financial software is the ability to consolidate reports. So let's see what I mean. If we go into Company 3 and we pull up Consolidation List 501, you can quickly tell which companies are going to be consolidated in this report. In this example, I'm pulling Company 3 and Company 150 into one report. So when I run financials, I can get totals by companies without having to do that addition in Excel or other applications. We also have the ability to print comparative general ledgers. If we go into option 10, I can tell it for Company 3, let's look at the balance sheet format. I could also do my consolidation list here that I just set up for Company 3 and 150 if I chose. I'm not going to at this point, but I'm going to say by accounting center, no, by property if I wanted to look at property comparatives. Clearing entries, if these entries have been billed out, do I want them to equal 0 or do I actually want to see the activity? I want summary detail and I want to print it, just print it, not put it out to a file to download to Excel. We do it, there's a Excel add-in where you can quickly bring those reports into Excel. And I'm going to tell it, let's print from December, and let's actually put December of 2010 on that heading. We're going to put January in the next column. So you can see I'm building my report here. You can input these as often as you like and input any information that you want to see, any time frames, if you wanted to run this monthly, quarterly, annually, however you wanted that information to appear, and you can run it by our hierarchies if you so need to. Once I press enter twice, my report's been generated. It actually brings that input screen back to the screen in case I need to run another report. I'm going to go look at my printouts now, and when I do and go pull it up, you can see how it compares December to January to February. I can quickly put this in Excel, do any calculations if I need, email it to whoever I need to, but the reports are quick and concise and at your fingertips. The reports are live 24/7 based on all of the entries that have been posted into the general ledger. With Avatar's extensive experience in your industry, we know you need to run your business with the most efficient and powerful tools. Contact Avatar Systems today.